Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you're in the right Windows account and that any work in Edge is saved. Once done, close Extra Windows. Open Microsoft Edge and click the profile icon at the top right. That small circle shows active profiles. You're beginning the removal process now. Click the gear or three dots by the profile to access profile settings because you need the profile management controls to continue. This step ensures you modify the intended profile, not another one. Once you're in Profile Controls, select Manage Profile Settings or Profiles from the menu to open the list. You'll see all profiles. Click the specific profile you want to remove so its options appear. Make sure to review sync status and save data warnings because removing a profile can delete local browsing data. Next, choose Remove or Delete Profile and confirm when prompted. This deletes the profile from this device and prevents accidental loss by giving one clear confirmation step. Confirm the deletion in the dialog box and wait a few seconds for Edge to finish removing the profile and its local data. Once done, make sure to restart Edge to refresh the profile list. If the profile still appears, reboot the PC and check again. If remnants remain, you can manually inspect the folder at %localappdata %Microsoft \Edge\Edge/user-data and remove the specific profile folder, but make sure Edge is closed first. If problems persist, sign out of your Microsoft account and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.